So, hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, everyone. This is Elma, the non-tech techie, and today I have Bilal, the founder of Newlink, and we are going to discuss something that is very exciting: the latest updates on the Newlink software, and especially its AI capabilities. So, if you recall, or if you've been watching my channel for some time, I had a live stream with Bilal, I think around March last this year. It's only March this year, so it was around 6 months ago, and we talked about these. We talked about how to automate or how to make a year worth of relevant social media content using New Link in under 30 minutes. And we actually had a timer and all that stuff. And that was kind of funny because Bilal said it's Elma, the title should be in 30 minutes, but he did it in under 30 minutes. So I had to change a few of my marketing materials that time. But it's a good way to change it because the thing with Newlink is that I have used it since then, and I haven't logged into the app until now, but I still have a lot of social media posts that are going around. So whenever I post a blog, it will be posted somewhere, or whenever I have a new video on on YouTube, then it will go and be posted to my Facebook page or something like that. And I haven't touched it at all since I set it up in March. That's the power of New Link. Now, if you like automations, and now it even has AI capabilities now where you can have AI captions and all that stuff. So Bilal is going to show us everything today on what are the improvements now in New Link. And yeah, so if you are new to watching my channel, please kindly subscribe because we bring you content like this on how to make your business life easier and how to optimize or make yourself more efficient and all that stuff for you entrepreneurs out there. Okay, so let's go back to Bilal. And Bilal, in case those that haven't seen you before or do not know what Newlink is all about, can you share with them your journey, why you created Newlink, and what is your company all about?
Okay. So hi, Ilman. Thank you so much for having me here again. It was fun last time that we had that challenge, and it went really nicely. So my name is Bilal Araro. I'm the founder of Newlink, as a social media automation and scheduling app for entrepreneurs, business owners, and agencies. So the goal of creating Newlink was because I was lazy. I was always late on posting on social media. Sometimes we just leave it hanging for months and months. So we've decided to tackle this solution, and we started experimenting with some ideas to automate the posting. So that's where we come up with a small MVP that auto posts our videos, articles automatically on social to our social media. So it was working without us touching it. So that's why we thought maybe this should be a product. So we decided to give it a chance and created a MVP, had a wait list, and invited some people to use it, and they loved it, especially the automation part. So yeah, and from there on, we started just receiving the feedback and improving it based on everyone's feedback, especially the automation part. So that's how Newlink got born. Okay.
Right. And by the way, I recall in our first live stream, you also mentioned something about you wanted to hire people. You have your own agency. You wanted to hire people, but then you don't have presence in social media. And
Exactly.
because of that, people wouldn't want to apply for a job in your company. And this
Yeah.
is also the other reason why you created New Link. So actually the social media presence is a necessity now rather than a luxury for any type of business, of course, unless you are in a business where secrecy is very important. But
Yeah.
this is really something that is very important because if they see your company on social media, they know that you are active, and they know that your company is some sort of a real company,
Yes.
without even looking into the business registrations and all of that, because it establishes your presence as a company on the web, and this is really important. Now let's go
Yes.
to the so what Bilal will show to us tonight or this afternoon is that he will first go for an overview in case for those who do not know the app yet, and then after that we will go straight ahead on the AI and the automations part. So what has improved on Newlink, and how can we make better use of Newlink since the last time we had the live stream with Bilal?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. So basically, you are right. We had always had that problem of trying to hire more talent here locally, but our social media was really like basically dead. So of course, people will not gonna going to trust a company that haven't posted anything in the last 6 months or more. That was the biggest problem. So that's why we tried multiple times to do like manage our social media manually. So we do it for 1 week or 2 weeks, and then just get so busy that we forget about it for months and months. So this way, we tried different solution, paid solution like Buffer, etc., and we always ended up in the same problem. So we tried, okay, let's do something in our own, just leveraging our development capabilities. So we did a small MVP, which is Nuelink. That basically started to solve our problem. So, and we tried to, and we went all in with it. So that's what you see here in front of you, which is Nuelink. So now I will go ahead and show you what was changed since the last time we talked. Hopefully, let me start and share my screen. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen now.
Okay, perfect. So basically, here is the calendar. Here's the interface of Nuelink. First, before we go here, this is the calendar. I wanted to show you how it looks. There is a calendar view, and there is also a feed view that you can see. Basically, since the last time, we have improved the calendar view a lot and make it very simple, and improve the interface to make it simpler to manage without confusion. So what Newlink does is it allows you to organize your social media posts into different collections. Using this feature called collection. A collection is basically like a dynamic folder for your content, where you can organize your content into different topics, categories, or on any way you like. In this collection, each collection have its own social media channels and its own schedule. For example, I have here is the way we are organizing the collections for our new social media platforms. We have this one called Newlink Video Reviews, which we share the reviews from different people who checked the Newlink and reviewed it. We share this every Saturday at 10 a.m. We have newsletters slides. So this is where we share slides from our newsletter. We share it weekly on Wednesday to 15 p.m. So each time we add a new post here to this collection, it will automatically be added to this next available time slot of the schedule. We have video and shorts. Here is an example of the inside of or the post inside the newsletter slides. All of them are already published. So these ones are carousels that we share on LinkedIn. As you can see here, these are the LinkedIn carousels. So we share them every Wednesday because we noticed that our audience on LinkedIn are mostly active on Wednesday. Okay. We have also testimonials. We share them every week. On Thursday, we have more than 60 testimonials. So 74 of them are in the queue. We have the posts that we share in the Facebook community, daily news, Nuelink blog, product updates, etc. For the Nuelink blog, it's actually linked into an automation, which I will talk about in a few minutes. Okay, so here is the collection of the testimonials. You can see these are the testimonials that we share with our followers every week. Okay, so this is the collection. Basically, each time you add a new post in one of these collection, it will automatically be shared on these social media platforms, and it will be added on the next available time slot. And now we have the automation, which what differentiates us from the competition. We have the automation is very, very powerful. It's like you can auto post. It will allow you to auto post content from different platforms. You can auto post your blog articles from WordPress, from Medium, from Blogger, from Tumblr, etc. You can auto post your products from Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, etc. You can also here are the blogging platforms. You can see. You can also here are the e-commerce. You can also cross post. This is very powerful. The last time we talked, I believe we were just launching this one. So basically here it's very powerful. Like you can share your Instagram reels, for example, to TikTok and YouTube automatically. Like when you share a reel from your Instagram app without having to log into Nuelink, when you share a reel from your Instagram app, it will automatically get posted on YouTube and LinkedIn, for example, YouTube and TikTok. The same thing for LinkedIn cross posting, where you can share your articles as a Twitter thread. Same thing for Pinterest cross posting and Twitter also. So we also have.
Oh, by the way, I need to
Yes,
disturb you a bit here. Just to clarify your Twitter, we don't have to create our own API, right?
no, you don't have to, because you can simply connect your Twitter like normally without having to use your own API key.
Okay, yeah, because in some platforms they disabled all Twitter unless we use our own API.
Yeah.
So just want to
No,
clarify that one. And I think this is one of the plus point of having New Link. You don't need your own Twitter API. Okay, sorry,
exactly.
let's continue.
Yeah. So these are the automation ideas. You can also auto post your podcast. We have so many podcasters that are using Nuelink to auto post their podcast episode. We support Spotify for podcasts, Captivate, Transistor, and also YouTube. And we have some other ones like auto retweet, follow up comments that you can add to your post. So these are some examples of the the automations that we have. And you can see here we already have a few of these automations already set up. For example, we automatically add all the videos that we share on YouTube to this collection that is called video and shorts tutorial. So if we go to this collection, I'll go to the published. You will see that it have the videos from our social media, from our YouTube channel, and this is how it's being set up. You simply add your YouTube channel link, and your link will automatically bring the title and the link and share it on social media. Let me go to the. So here is how to. This is the collection from the YouTube. You can see we've kept it very simple. So we simply bring the title and the link, and you can also bring images. You can customize the caption. Let me show you an example from maybe create. I'll create this one from the blog. we use Ghost for our blogging platform. So what I will do is simply copy the blog link here. So you can choose if you would like to add image posts or link posts. I will have the image post. This is, you can customize the caption, for example. So this is the link. I will talk about the AI caption in a bit. So yeah, and that's it. I will simply click add ghost automation. We just announced a new feature like 1 hour ago, and apparently everyone is using this, the CSV upload. That's why the server is a little bit slow today. So hopefully this will
Okay.
be, yeah.
But by
That's
the
why
way, okay, so you have this blog, right? So Ghost is your blog is on Ghost. Now
yeah.
I have a question for from Sujit, and he said he pulled up from his blog post and it picked up only 10 posts, and this is on WordPress. Is it
Yes.
possible to pull out all the posts?
Yes, you can simply go to the WordPress settings and then go, of course, you need to log into the WordPress admin, then go to reading. You will find that WordPress allow you to customize that because we use WordPress feed. So you can change that to 100, for example, and we'll be able to pull 100 posts.
Okay. Oh, so it's a WordPress setting. It's not a
Yes,
Nuelink setting. Okay,
exactly.
then got it. Thank you.
Okay. So once here is the automation. Once it's created,
And
you can simply
speaking of
say,
CSV, sorry, about that, there's another question. Have you updated your CSV file to categories blog post types?
have you blog post types? Can he elaborate more? Because currently we do support like adding the post type in the CSV file. So I'm not sure if this is what he means or another
Okay,
question. We do
all right.
support post type. They can now we have two CSV templates. One basic that only have the caption and the title, the caption and the media title and the date. We have an advanced one that have all of these columns together, including the post type.
Oh, social media post type. Okay, so
Okay.
that's what he
Yes.
means.
Yes, we do have that. Yes.
Okay, so they have that as if that's the answer. Okay,
Yes.
so
Okay.
yep.
So as you recall, I added the the automation of ghost automation in our blog. So I'm simply adding the dates and times that we want to schedule these automations. So Nuelink will automatically import all the blogs from our Ghost platform using the same caption that we've added, and we'll automatically schedule them based on the date that I entered right now. So let's take a look here. Typically, it takes just a minute or two, unless you have more than like hundreds of posts. Okay. Okay, so let me open the CSV so I can show it to you in a few minutes. So here are the posts. You can see that it uploaded the post and used the same caption that I added. And it's also added the image. This is the social share image of the post. And we have this, as you can see. So these are the social media posts that are being automatically added. And each time we publish a new blog post in our blog, it will be automatically added here and scheduled in the next available time slot. Okay. So this is basically how the automation works. Then what we have is, I think what we have, the same thing happened, by the way, if you have a Shopify store that, and you would like to add it and share your product like every week or every like 1 or 2 days a week, etc. So
Oh, you have Shopify here now. The last time we don't have Shopify.
yes, now we have Shopify, so you can
Oh,
see,
nice.
yeah, if you go to e-commerce, you can see Shopify. By the way, Shopify and Etsy are one of the Shopify and Etsy and WooCommerce are one of the most popular automations we
Automations.
have. Yeah.
Okay. By the way, because a lot of people are asking, hey, what social media, what channels do you support? Can we again go through all the all the platforms that Nuelink supports?
Yes, of course. So
Right.
here, so basically, we support, of course, Facebook pages and groups. We support Instagram creator accounts and business accounts, Twitter accounts, LinkedIn company and profile, Pinterest, TikTok, Google My Business, and YouTube and Telegram. We also planning to support webhook, Slack, and Discord. We actually paused working on these ones because we noticed that there is not enough demand for them. So that's why we just put them on hold. But basically, these are the platforms that we support currently. And for the Facebook group, we recently added a small updates that in case you have, let's say, two team members managing the same group and you would like to post from your name and from the team member name, now you can do that. You can connect the same group twice using your name and your any other member, admin or editor of the group name. Like in this case, this is connected using my own name. It shows it like this. So hopefully this makes sense. So these are the social media platforms that we support, and we are planning to support Threads once Meta Threads once the API is available.
Okay. So basically, so these are all the social channels here are the destination channels, and you can pull data from Shopify, from your blogs, from your YouTube
Yes,
channel. So I just want to clarify this with them because there are two things here. One is a social media where that are destination channels, I would say, and the other one is where you pull your data from. So I don't want to
yes,
have any confusion on that one. So what New Link doesn't do is say from your Facebook it goes to WordPress. No, it cannot do that.
you,
Am I
uh,
right?
you are right. We can't actually go the other way around. We can get the post from WordPress to the social media platform,
Hmm.
but not from the social media platform to WordPress.
Right. So I asked classic question. Okay. Yeah, yeah. But this is the thing because I just want to make sure that there is no confusion when it comes to social media and where you pull the data from because those two are completely different things.
Different, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Right. Okay. So the next thing is so we are still on the current we are not yet on the AI automation part. Okay, so
Yes,
what are the analytics features that
yes.
are what the analytic features available in Ulink?
So the analytics actually got, can you see my screen? Oh, yeah,
Okay, now sharing.
yes. Okay, here are the analytics. Basically, the analytics, we have two parts.
Oh, your screen is stuck. Let me just.
Okay,
Okay, now we can see it again.
okay, okay, 1 second. So basically, we have two things when it comes to the analytics. We have the insights. This one got like a big upgrade recently. I think the last time we talked, we didn't have we didn't have the analytics available yet. So we had only the analytics for the posts, likes, etc. But now you can see here, this is the analytics from Facebook. You can select which channels you would like to see the data of, and select the time. And soon you'll be able to download the reports for these data. and maybe share it with your clients, etc. So you can see here, these are the analytics. We are still improving this, and we'll definitely be adding a new AI layer to this one. You can see here are the impressions, the views, the unique impressions. This is the engagement for the post. These are the how many posts are shared every day. And these are we show the top performing posts, like the top 50 performing posts. You can also, for example, share let's try Instagram. So we have basically this insights, and we have the link shortener insights. So for the link shortener insight, let's see this one. I will share with you the link shortener insights in a bit, but let me also show you. So each platform have its own data. Like this one could be different from Facebook. These are the impressions in our Instagram account. You can see here. Okay, and these are the engagement, shared posts, also the top 50 top performing posts. Okay, so if we go to the link shortener here, the link shortener has its own analytics data. For example, when you turn it on, you'll be able to see all the clicks from where they are coming. Like in our case, we have 1,000 from Twitter, we have Facebook clicks, we have Nuelink, and we have also other sources, the browsers that the clicks came from, the languages, the devices, etc. You can also see which links are the most clicked. You can see here. This will give you an idea about, especially if you are sharing, for example, links to your products or links to your blog posts, etc. You can easily see the ones that are performing well, and improve, like make your decisions based on that. In this case, you can see that these are the links that are the most performance links. We will soon be combining these analytics in one place in the insights, and we will also add some AI updates that will let you know, like give you an overview of what's happening using basically like human words, like your posts perform well on weekends. The best time to post is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Your audience engage with this kind of topics, etc. So this is will be coming very soon using AI. Okay. Hopefully, I didn't lose you.
No, it's okay. I'm just looking at my new link account because I'm looking at some stuff. Okay, all right. So now that's the analytics part. And in terms of sources, so you mentioned earlier you have now there is Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy. Do you have eBay? Okay, eBay is not that popular anymore, but do you have it there?
No, we currently don't, but I think we will be adding it soon.
Okay, so it's in the roadmap.
Yes, we receive some requests for eBay and also for Amazon. Let me just
Oh, Amazon.
yes.
That's cool if you can integrate with Amazon.
Yes, hopefully we will be able to. We have added this in to our to-do list, so hopefully we'll find an API that they have so we can use. If yes, we will be able to integrate with them. So these are all the sources. You can see we call them automation. So this is Anchor for Spotify, auto retweet, Blogger. This Captivate for podcast, Etsy. We have also Flowmatic, which is similar. This is a WordPress plugin that is in a way similar to Zapier. We have the follow-up comments, Ghost, which is a blogging platform. We have AFTT. This is also similar to Zapier and Publi. Instagram cross-posting, Integrately, similar to Zapier and Publi as well. LinkedIn cross-posting, Make, Medium, blogging platforms, Publi. Most of you, I think, know this one, which is a Zapier competitor. Pinterest, This is Pocket. I use this one on my phone to read and catch up with articles, so you can easily connect it and make it like set it up to share your favorite articles. We have the RSS, which is basically almost the entire web use this technology. You can use it in the important blogs, products, Google News, etc. Shopify, SoundCloud,
That's a
Squarespace.
lot.
Yes, yeah, we have a lot. Transistor for. We have also Substack, which is a newsletter platform which we use. We have Tumblr, Twitter, cross-posting, Weebly, etc. So these are all what that we support right now. Probably we'll be adding more as we go, and we will be improving these ones a lot. Okay.
Cool.
Yes, and we have also some extra tools like the link shortener that I just shared with you. So once you turn on the link shorten, activate the link shortener, it will automatically shorten all the links that you have. It will automatically shorten them, and then you can simply add a link to your post, and Nuelink will automatically shorten it and will be tracking all the clicks that you receive and show you the data here. So this is very powerful. So you don't have to actually use any third-party link shortener. Okay, and we have the media library. We have the shortcodes as well. This one, it's still new. I still didn't announce it actually, but this is very, very powerful because what it allows you to do is you can simply create a shortcode. Let's say, for example, you say something like let's say subscribe. So So when you do this, like Nuelink will automatically change this. When you use this on a post, for example, Nuelink will automatically change it to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, etc. And we have also something like called dynamic or keywords. So this one, for example, let's say anything. This is very So this is like dynamic keyword. We are still improving it a little bit and changing the wording of this one. When you do something, when you add this shortcode, Nuelink, each time Nuelink add this to your post, it will pick one of these. So in one time, it will pick hello everyone. The second time, it will pick hey. The third time, it will pick hola, etc. So you can imagine like this can be used in so many different ways. This is still in alpha, so it's still in early alpha. That's why we didn't announce it yet, because I'm still thinking to improve the naming, etc. So this is probably gonna be dynamic keyword or simple keywords, and we will announce it hopefully soon. And we also have something called system keywords. This is really nice. Like for example, when creating a post, you can add something called day and add that post. So if that post gets shared on Thursday, it will be posting like let's say, for example, I create a post like this. So when this post gets shared on Thursday, it will be saying beautiful Thursday. But let's say you have set the evergreen on your collection, then the next time this post gets shared, let's say it will be shared on Friday or on Sunday, etc. It will automatically say change to that day instead of you manually having to change this. And you can do the same for the month or the year or the platform. This one, the platform is very good as well. When you say, for example, many of you use this like hello platform. This one, when when we share it on Facebook, it will say hello Twitter. When shared on LinkedIn, it will say hello LinkedIn or hello Google Business, etc. So it will automatically say the name of the platform without you having to do that manually. So we are still improving this one. We'll still be adding some more system shortcodes, and we will announce it in hopefully in a few weeks. And then,
Okay.
yeah,
Now, regarding the short codes, okay, so we are there. Instead of dynamic codes, can you deploy AI that will make it more personalized?
I would love to hear this more details about this suggestion. So since we are open to using AI with all the features, so if you can share with us more, like send us a note about the recommendation, we'll be happy to do it, of course.
Okay, so as if later on I'll create a post about Nuelink and we can drop all our questions to Bilal because we have so much questions and I don't even know how to organize the questions right now because we really have a lot of questions here
Nice.
and they are all over. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. So, another common question we have here is so you mentioned short codes, you have hashtags. Now, do you have any integration with image creation like Canva, Crello, Vista Create?
We have some good news about this. Is we are currently working on Canva. Canva recently reopened the API, and we hope that we launch this. I'm not sure how long it will take to get approved from Canva, but I think it will be very soon. So the integration is ready. We are currently just testing it and making sure it works. But soon you will be able to create your designs or videos on Canva and then share them directly to Nuelink library and use them from there.
Okay, so it's not like we are opening Canva from Newlink. So we still need to go to our Canva account and then send it to Newlink. Is that what you're
Yes,
saying?
exactly. Because unfortunately, currently they don't, they no longer offer the ability to use Canva within third-party platforms. Hopefully, they will reopen that soon. If they do, we will definitely be adding them. And what we are considering for the image editing is Adobe Express, which have an API. So once we are done with Canva, we are planning to add Adobe Express to our post composer.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Okay.
good. Yeah, everybody loves Newlink and Bilal, definitely. Well, it's really one of the best platforms I've seen when it comes to content management, and it's fully automated. So, shall we head over to? We did not mention hashtags, but I
Yes.
believe that's pretty self-explanatory. But you can still go through it, no worries.
So this is the media library. As you mentioned, it's very self-explanatory. So there is nothing to. We'll be soon adding Google Drive, etc. So basically, this is the media library where you will find all the images that you've added to Nuelink, either manually or via an automation. And also we have the hashtag manager. So here, this is how we currently use it. And the hashtag manager, you can use it to group your hashtags using like similar hashtags. Like in our case, this is the hashtags we use for the tips when sharing on Instagram. And once you have the group here, you can easily access it from the post creator. So you can, if you click, for example, you can simply access the group from here. So you click on tips, it will add all the hashtags, or you can generate some hashtags like so for example in this case I can generate a hashtag for this one. We need to select a channel, I think. Okay, okay, I think this one doesn't have. So we can, this will automatically generate the hashtag for this caption. And when you generate it, you will be able to find it here in the generated hashtags. You can see these are all the hashtags that you generated. In case you wanted to copy, so we keep a history of all of them. Okay. So this is the hashtag managers. What we are planning for this is soon we will be able to see like how popular is a hashtag. So you will get more data about each hashtag and see like how big is the audience for that particular hashtag. We'll start with the TikTok, and I think Instagram too have like can allow us to access this data. So we'll start with these two platforms and then expand it as for more platforms that support this. Okay. So these are the hashtag manager, and I think what left is this is you can also create and manage multiple brands using Nuelink and invite your team members. This one will get a big upgrade. This is basically we've been working on this for a month, and this particular month we focused mostly on this feature. So since we'll be improving the workflow for managing the brands, inviting the team members, especially for agencies, to make it very smooth and based on some feedback we got from the agencies. So this one will get a lot of updates. But basically, a brand is like a workspace. You can create different brands for each business you own, or for each client if you are an agency. And you can simply like switch them from here. Like in this case, I have a brand, I have a personal brand, this one, and I have a demo, a brand just for demo where I test things. And you can create different brands for each business. Each brand have its own queue, its own collections, its own automations, insights, and social media channels, and link shorteners. So each brand have all of these features, and you can invite your team or clients to help you manage these brands. So hopefully it makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.
It makes sense, and there are many questions, but not related to what you just talked about. So,
Yeah.
okay, let's stay focused here, and now let's go ahead and let's look at the AI and the automation capabilities of Newlink.
Awesome. So let's start small. So as I mentioned in one of the calls we have is in terms of the AI, I always had this idea that we should already have a good product before integrating the AI. That's why the AI was the last thing that we built, because we wanted to actually have a product that solves a problem without the need of AI. But then we can add the AI to make it 10x or 100x better. So that's what we did here. So the first thing we did is this tiny button here called New AI. This is like your own AI assistant. It's very powerful. Like let's say, for example, right now I can't think of any caption to share. So what I will do is I will write something like this. Caption. So I will write, I'm thinking to write a caption about tips for social media managers that will help them automate their social media. I'll click on the AI assistant. Then I will come here to use your own prompt. This way, the AI will automatically consider this as a prompt, and then it will use it to generate the post for you. Okay. So here is unlock efficiency with automation, essential tips for social media managers to streamline the workflow. We can, for example, let's say, make it engaging. So this is the post, like boost your productivity game, essential automation tips to help social media managers supercharge and streamline their workflow. Maybe the prompt wasn't good, so 5 tips social media managers. Then so I will come back and then use your own prompts. This one gonna be longer, that's why it's taken some time. I think the assistant is busy.
Yeah. So actually, we are flooded with questions. So what I'm asking everyone is, in case we haven't asked or we haven't answered your questions, we will get back to it later after the live stream, because we don't have a lot of time for today to
Yes.
answer everything. But here is, okay, the AI
Yeah.
captions, generated captions.
Exactly. This is it creates since I selected Twitter, it created for us like a long form content with this is a thread, so it automatically created a thread for us, like you see here. You can use this in any way possible, like write a short caption about social media management, caption about management tips for entrepreneurs, and we can use the prompt. So basically, once you click using the prompts, it will automatically write the caption for you. You can use these ones like to make it more engaging and to make it longer, shorter, to write a thread, for example. You can see here and edit this as you like. You can act as an editor instead of having to come up with ideas. You can ask the AI to come up with some ideas about a particular topic. Pick one ideas and ask the AI to write the content for you. You can, depending on the platform that you are using this for example, I can select only Twitter, and the AI will automatically make this content good for that particular platform. You can ask the AI to rephrase it or make it shorter or make it longer, for example. We can, let's say, ask them to expand it, for example, or make it a thread, depending on what you want to achieve, or maybe your audience, if you are on LinkedIn, you can make it formal. If you are on Twitter, you can ask, for example, to make it a thread, etc. So you can see here, you can shorten it in case if you would like to post this as one tweet, for example, and so on and so forth. So this is, I will try to go fast, but this is how this AI feature works. And basically, I use it almost on a daily basis with the Nuelink, and I keep writing the caption and iterate it a little bit and make it depending on what I want, and ask the AI to reframe it and tweak it as I see fit. And you can also generate hashtags based on this data. So this is the first AI that feature that we have currently. It looks simple, but it's very powerful. And yeah, the second one, which is even more powerful, which I think Ilma will like a lot, because you haven't logged into Nuelink for a long time, but it's still on autopilot.
Guilty. Hey, it's your fault. You make me not have to log on to your link. So,
Yes,
which is a good thing, by the way.
exactly. But this one is very, very powerful. So what I will do is I will go to the automation. I will go to the same automation that I created previously, which is the blog automation. Then let me see if this one completed. So apparently, I shouldn't announce that update for the CSV import. Everyone is adding a lot of hundreds of posts as we speak right now. That's why it's taken a long time. So as you see here, I made it a thread, and it automatically created a long thread about ever wondered how truly transform your brand, etc. So it created a long thread for Twitter, so I can share it automatically on the platform, as you can see. So basically, this is, as I mentioned, this looks like very small, but it's very powerful, and you can use it in hundreds of ways. Especially like the way I use it is I always start with using my own prompts, and I ask the AI to brainstorm some ideas about a particular topic. Then I take one of those ideas that I like, and then I ask the AI to write a caption about that particular idea. I take the caption and then play with it a little bit, edit it, and ask the AI to rephrase it. And then I add my own touch to that particular caption, and then simply share it with on social media. This is the flow that I usually use. Okay, so now let's go back to the other
But
automation.
by the way, for your AI, what language model do you use now? Are you using ChatGPT 3.5, 4?
No, we are using the latest ChatGPT 4, the latest one.
Wow.
So yeah, the ChatGPT 4.
Yes, nice.
Yes, yeah, this is the latest one, and actually, it's the reason why it's slow, because apparently the request to ChatGPT 4 are slower than 3.5, especially if there is a lot of text. So yeah,
Right.
and
But actually, what I
yeah,
like here is that you select a platform and then you just write a prompt and say, hey, please create a post about this, and it takes into account what platform you are going to post it into. So it's not going to give you this extra long post if you're posting it on Twitter, for example. You
exactly.
should
Unless
just
you ask it to write it, for example, as a thread. In this case, we already have one like this. You can see that, for example, make it a thread. In this case, it will automatically write it as a thread for you. But if you are not, it will optimize it for the platform or the platforms that you are using here.
okay. And someone is asking if do we need to add our own Chat GPT key, open AI key.
No, no, currently not. You don't have to. This is still in beta, so you can have 500 credits. Each credit is one post or one iteration. Like each time you use it, it will take one credit. So 500 posts is actually more than enough for the regular use, since we are still figuring out how we are going to use this to plan this for each plan. And for using the your own key, we actually built something. We actually built it, but when we were about to launch this particular feature, especially for the lifetime deal users, we found that OpenAI doesn't actually allow that because of some security reasons. It doesn't allow to add your own key. So even if some platforms do support it, but that could get you into trouble with OpenAI. That's why we couldn't release it.
Mm, okay, fair enough, fair enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, okay, this is for the create post. Now let's go to the AI with automation, which is very powerful. I think here is the page. Let me close these ones. So I will create an automation for our blog this time. Instead of bringing the image post, I will use link post only. And instead of writing the caption myself, I will ask the AI to write the caption for me. So in this case, what I will do is I will ask the AI to write a caption for this blog article about and I'm using the shortcode for title, make it engaging, and it is maybe we can here say something like, and ask the readers to click this link to learn more. So I will ask the AI to write a caption about this blog article about this topic, make it engaging, and ask the readers to click this link to learn more. Maybe add 2 or 3 relevant hashtags at the end of the caption. So this is the prompt that I will add to the AI. Okay, and you can use a fallback. So this fallback is useful in case, let's say, you run out of the credits. So this is very useful in that case. So you can keep the fallback like this. And then I will simply hit add ghost automation. So basically what this will do is for each post, Nuelink will automatically write a caption for that particular post using the AI. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just select the channels here and maybe, okay, let's say 2:11 a.m. and then I will hit save. So for each post, Nuelink new AI will automatically write the caption for that post and will add it in the post. This one, let's go now. You can see it's currently importing the post. So you can see here, this is the first blog. This is the first caption. Maximize your reach with ease. Learn how to automatically cross-post from Instagram to other platforms. Click here to streamline your social media, and here is the link. And these are the hashtags. All of this is automatically generated for this article. You can see here is the title of the post. Okay. Okay. So it's still also important. It's usually take longer when you are using the AI because each post will be getting the post from your blog, and also creating the caption using the AI. So it typically takes a little bit longer than the regular automation. So this is another caption: maximize your Shopify marketing effortlessly with social media automation. Find out how at Nuelink here. And these are some emojis and hashtags. Simplify your life with automated podcast posting to social media. Discover how with Shopify for podcasters. Learn more here, etc. So these are the captions automatically generated using the AI. If you see the link of the post, you'll find it here. And by the way, you notice that the link is already shortened automatically for you since we activated the link shortener here. So everything is done automatically. We import the post from the blog, we shorten the link, and then we generate the caption. And if there are any media, if you selected the image post, we'll automatically import the image as well. So yeah, this is the post, as you can see here, and here is the original article. So you can do this with any other automation. You can do the same thing with the Shopify products. You can do it with your blog articles. You can do it with your YouTube channel, etc. And it will generate the same results. So just make sure that you use a good prompt, so the results will be good and like this one, for example. Okay.
Okay.
Any
Wow.
question? Yeah.
Yeah, there are so many questions, but there are really a lot of questions. So.
Yes. So this is like two of the biggest AI features that we currently have. There are some other stuff that we are cooking or working on, especially two things. One for the insights, which will automatically give you a briefing of what's happening instead of like seeing only the data in the insights. It will automatically give you like a breakdown of what's happening and what you should do next based on the data that you have in the insights. So this is coming soon in this, hope we'll be releasing it in this quarter. And we also have a new AI feature that will be adding to the collections. It will be called Smart Evergreen. The Smart Evergreen will be something like it will check if your social media post got shared, like got more engaged with a lot. It will automatically re-add it to the queue. So,
Oh,
for
that's
example,
nice.
yeah, if you have a post that was generating a lot of that generated a lot of hype, a lot of engagement, it will wait for some time, then it will add it to the queue. So we have a few ideas for this that we are planning to add as well using the AI. And I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, let me just check. I've seen more. Okay, so actually, there is a suggestion on the name from Asif. Instead of AI assistant, call it new assistant.
That's
Um,
it's a good idea. We actually call it new AI, almost similar. So you can see this is new AI, but in the
ah,
automation we need to update the same as well. So almost similar idea to what Asif Ryan said.
okay, so this is the other one. Please consider to add a feature that allows to create bulk post in spreadsheet style screen and bulk upload of media files right inside Nuelink. Okay, so I get this one. So, for example, like in WooCommerce or wherever we go, like we can have it looks more like a worksheet rather than I don't know. It looks like a list rather than different tiles in our automations. So is that possible for the post that we can see the queue that way, the view? So it's like instead of tiles, thumbnails or whatever you call that, we see it as detailed list.
Like a queue or like a
Yes,
grid.
or like a grid. Yes, but it's to allow to create a bulk post in spreadsheet style screen. So I don't have to go in all the time and click this and make the changes, but I can make the changes in bulk, something like that.
Yeah.
I think I can explain it to you after the webinar. I'll show you a similar screen, but not on social media, but it's more of a like an e-commerce store kind of thing.
Yeah.
But it's just a
We
different view.
Yes, we actually already have something like that but not
Oh,
for with the editing, but with creating. When creating a post in bulk, you can, if you want, I can share with you
yes,
the.
yes, please, if you already have it.
Okay. Uh, can you see my screen or?
Not yet showing.
Okay.
Yes, now we can.
Yeah. So basically, if you go here and click on the CSV import, you will see that we have this template and advanced template. So I already opened them here. So basically, yeah. So for the basic template, you can simply add all your post captions here like this, and then add the media using simply a link from your OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, etc. So you can add the link to that media. For example, here is an example. This is a video. you can see that it's a video that I have uploaded to OneDrive and shared the link with the Nuelink here. I added it to the spreadsheet, so you can add all your posts in bulk from a spreadsheet like this. You can simply add, for example, for an image post, you can add it like this. For a reel or video, you can add a link to your reel or video, etc. So we even support carousels. Like you can simply add all your the images of your carousels into one folder and then share the link of that folder into the CSV file. Once you are done, you can simply download this as a CSV and then go to this. Let me, for example, I will create a new collection instead, so I can show you exactly how it will work. Let's see. So maybe I would add this channel, and then let's make it Wednesday. Then I will simply create this collection. Okay, all is good. So I will go then and then add the same spreadsheet file that I just downloaded, this one. And I will simply click import. Once I click import, it will automatically add all the social media posts that I have in that particular spreadsheet and add them to this collection as a social media post. You can see
Okay,
here.
and regarding the time, okay, sorry about that. Regarding the time, can we make changes on the time? Because I saw that you posted it at 18:03. That's the schedule that you are trying to post it. Now, can we make? Can Nuelink randomize the timing? I think I asked this question the last time we had a live stream, and you mentioned that it's on the roadmap to randomize
the posting time.
post.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
actually we have, if you click on the settings here, you can select if you would like which approach that you would like to post. For example, let's say you have these times here, maybe Wednesday and Thursday, and then you have your posts. You by default we have first in first out, which means each time you add a new post, it will be added to the next available time slot, right? So
Right.
what we have added is two more features. One called last in first out. This is when you add a new post to the collection, it will be shared the first time, and it will push all the other ones down. So this is good for for collections that maybe you want to share the news while they are fresh, for example, or you would like your newest blog post to be shared first, or your newest YouTube video to be shared first. So this one is the best approach. You simply update to last in first out. This way, each time you share a new video on your, for example, YouTube channel, it will be scheduled in the next time slot, not the next available. So if you have a scheduled that post Tuesday and Friday and Monday, this post will be on the Friday, the first Friday, like the first time slot that is available. And then we have the randomized. This is each time there is a new post, it will randomize the posting schedule and share them randomly without a specific order.
Okay,
Is this what you mean?
but no. What I mean is, if you go on top, you mentioned earlier, is it 16:03 or something? The time itself, like instead of posting every Monday at a specific time, say 4 p.m., can it randomize the time, say 4:05, 4:10, or whatever, but not every Monday at 4 p.m.
Okay. Currently, we have like something that doesn't post at the same moment. Like sometimes we wait up to 7 minutes, 8 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
or sometimes we post like a little bit before the time, so we make it
Right.
more human, so it doesn't post it the same exact time every time. This way, like this Monday, it might post around 3 minutes. Next Monday, it might post around 4 7 minutes. Next Monday, it might post around 4 00, for example, and so on. But we keep this around 10 minutes maximum. Uh,
Yes.
yes, around 10 minutes, but we don't, for example, post after 1 hour or 2 hours, because in some cases it might be very time sensitive. But this is a feature that we are still improving. Maybe we'll see if there are some use cases that can randomize the time, like you can add a time frame, and the new link can post for you in that particular time frame without adding a specific time.
Okay.
Not sure.
I think though plus or minus 10 minutes is for me that is perfect.
Yes. No, that's already available. Like we keep it around 10 minutes
Mhm.
maximum.
Okay, then so it's like a plus or minus 10 minutes based on the
Yes.
time that I have scheduled it, which is for me perfect. It doesn't have to be exactly at the on the dot at that time. All right.
Yes.
So while we're at it, what do we need to discuss next? So we've done the bulk upload.
Yes. So this is the upload that I mentioned to you. So you can see it's already uploaded all the posts here. This is an
Mhm.
image post. This is a video. This is a carousel post. So all of these are using this spreadsheet. This is a LinkedIn carousel. So all these are using just a simple spreadsheet like this, especially if you would like to plan your, let's say you have 1 week of your social media posts, or 1 month, you plan them in the spreadsheet and you would like to add them once without having to manually create them one by one. You can do this from here. And we have an advanced template that have all the features, like you can add a follow-up comment from here. You can specify the type, like if you would like to share an image as a story, you can do that, etc. So this is from the bulk upload. In terms of the grid view, we actually have it on the plan. Hopefully, currently there is no timeline, but hopefully very soon we will be prioritizing that, so you can have a feed view, a grid view, and a calendar view.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so I think we have answered most of the questions by now, and I'm sure I missed some as well. I'm sure of that because there's really a lot. And can we? So I know that Nuelink is no longer available on LTD as a lifetime deal, but now they are having 50% off annual plans. Could you share with us what are the current plans you have on Nuelink?
Yes. So basically, currently we have the standard plan starting at $15 per month. We have premium, we have business plan, and we have the agency plan. We have agency and agency plus with 90 and $300 a month for agency plus. Currently, we are running 50% off on all the yearly plans. So the standard plan become $7.5, which is $90 a year. Premium is 150, and the business 294. And we have over the agency, the agency plus. The agency is $45 a month, and which is 540 per year. And the agency plus is actually Ilma noticed that it's actually less than more than 50% off. It's
Yes.
58, right? 58.
Yes, 58% off. Like I was calculating it. Hey, you're giving more discount that you said you are giving. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, so these are the current pricing that we have. So we are running this discount for the yearly. Yeah, and yes,
Okay, thanks so much. Thanks so much for the discuss. Now, we actually have a call here. Not a call, an ask. And thanks, Suji. Actually, we Bilal did not ask this, but Sujit suggested, because we are so happy using Nuelink. And come on, I haven't touched this app for 6 months and still running flawlessly. And it's really, really good. So if you could please go to G2 and leave a review on about Nuelink, that would be very much appreciated. Okay. So thanks so much, everyone. And now the okay, is there anything else? Okay, so there are some here that are already users of Newling, and they said, "Okay, we are not participating anymore in the giveaway." Well, thank you guys, and I'm still happy that you came in and joined us, because yes, this is something that is quite nice. So while I am downloading the form, okay, let me just download this. There you go. So Bilal, is it possible for you to share with us your roadmap?
Of course, one second. By the way, we are moving the roadmap to a new platform.
Oh,
Second.
sorry. Well, what do you mean moving to a new platform?
Yes, we currently we started using Trello for the roadmap,
Ah,
but it was a little bit limited. Where can I share it with you? Can I share it here in the comments?
but
Let me
wait a
see.
moment. Wait a moment. I'll show on stream. Okay, there you go.
Okay, so this is the roadmap. You can access to it from the footer of New Link here. You can see we didn't update it in the past few weeks because we are moving to a better tool for the roadmap, so we can allow you to easily add your ideas and suggestions, and we can prioritize and you receive notifications, etc. But this is the roadmap. We'll be working on this is already in the work. So we have the AI in progress, which I just shared with you. We are working on the agency's update, link in bio. This is currently ready. We just launched it, so I need to come here and update it a little bit. We haven't updated in the past 4 or 5 weeks. But the next time you see this, it will be on a new platform. That's why we didn't update. We'll be working also on Chrome extensions. This is Facebook reviews is a very cool features. It's not only Facebook reviews, but we'll be introducing a new category of the automations. It's already in progress. This category, it will allow you to automatically share your reviews in Nuelink when you receive them on Facebook reviews, Google reviews, and other platforms. And it will also have some templates, pre-designed templates for you to use. Like this way, the review will be automatically designed for you and shared. You can use in your own logo and your own brand colors. So this is currently being tested. Hopefully, we'll be launching this next month, max. Since it's ready, we're just making sure that the server is good and it will be scalable when we launch this. Okay, we have the media library already ready. The mobile apps, it will be coming next year. And hopefully in the first quarter. We are also working currently actually in the, we haven't added here, it's the inbox and ability to reply comments directly in Nuelink. This is currently under work, and actually this is already here. So yeah, this is one, and we will also soon add the ability to bulk design using a CSV. So basically, you will be able to add, create a spreadsheet of your, for example, designs. Let's say you have 100 quotes, and you would like to automatically design all of them using a CSV file. We will be having this feature as well added to the CSV bulk upload. And yes, and you can check the roadmap here and send us your ideas, your recommendations, your suggestions, or any questions to the support team, support@newlink.com, and we will be adding them to the new roadmap we will be releasing soon.
Okay, cool. So thanks for sharing the roadmap. And right, let me just see any more comments here.
Okay.
Okay, so I think this is from Eddie. What a roadmap! Yes, what a roadmap! There's really a lot in store for us on Neuralink, and I believe this one is also from Eddie that he would buy it even if he did not have it yet, but he already had. Probably he has previously bought already Neuralink, so
Yeah. Thank
that's
you.
it. But okay, so cool, cool, cool. Let me go and show my screen now. Okay, so for our giveaway, so tonight, Bilal is very nice to give us two standard annual plan, two winners for two with okay, standard annual plan. Okay, it's really late at night and I'm not saying things correctly anymore. Okay,
It's
yeah, it's 1:22 a.m. All right, okay, so here are the people that have joined our giveaway. We have Aaron John, AB Barik, Abir Ahmed, Amir Azad, Amir Rao, Ankit, Dixit, Araf, Asif, Ayasha, Ayesha, BL, Chaitanya, Eugene, Fardeen, HM, Inderjit, Interpret, Joginder, Mary, MD Istrak, Niru, Niladrita, Olivia, Prince, Rana, Rafi Al Farouk, Rafiul Anik, Rahul Bomik, Ranveer, Robert Minder, Shuvo, Sojib Subha, Tusar, and Zadid. And by the way, guys, in case you don't win here, it's fine. Actually, we still have a giveaway ongoing in our Facebook group, also on Newlink, and that requires you to subscribe to their YouTube channel and then post a screenshot, and then you will be entered into a giveaway. So do check out Newlink and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. Did I miss anyone? I hope not. I don't think so. Okay, let's shuffle. So the first winner. Hey, it's Rana. Congratulations, Rana. Yes, and Rana is one of the guys that kept on asking me, when is Newlink coming? When is Newlink coming? He sent me multiple messages because last week we canceled. And yeah, Rana keeps on asking me. So
yeah.
congratulations,
Congratulations.
Rana. You deserve it. Okay, the next one. And the next one is Prince. Is Prince around? Hey, Amir, don't say that because now this is an annual plan, okay? So anyway, is Prince around? Where is Prince? Okay, going once. Okay, Prince is here. Thank you, Prince, for confirming you are here. So how will they claim their prizes?
Yeah, they can simply sign up and send me or just send me a message on the DM or on Facebook, and I will
Okay,
activate their accounts.
okay then. Thank you. And I will send. Suddenly, I cannot hear you. And I will send to you who are the winners, so that when
Okay.
they reach out to you, then you know it's them. Thank you
Okay.
so much, everyone. And thank you so much, Bilal. Well, I have to go back into New Link and set up my new automations. Wow, there's so much that I can do, much more I can do now. And I'm
Yes.
so happy with the Shopify actually, because I do have a Shopify store. So that is something I didn't even know that. So cool. Cool. Thank you
Nice.
so much, and see you everyone next week. Bye bye
Thank,
for now.
thank you so much, Ilman. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying late with us today, and see you very, very soon.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sujit. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.